Now, this is why your lace keep lifting. It is not the lace. It is not the lace. Leave the innocent lace alone. It is the way you prep your hair. So today I'm going to teach you how you're going to prep your hair. Calm down. I'm giving you a beginner's friendly tutorial and sit down and listen. Listen. This will be the last time I'll say it, right? Take your alcohol. Alcohol on probably a cotton wool. Okay. You're going to clean your hair. Clean your hairline, right? Step 2. Your glue. If you're using glue, thin layer. Thin layer. Okay. Take your time when you want to do your install. No rush. If you're rushing, just go in with this. Only this is fine. Probably you want to go somewhere, you come back and put your wig. You don't need to use glue. Go with this. We only use this when we want it to last 2 days, 3 days. 1 day work. Use this. And that's the Let's Melt spray, right? But we are using the glue for tutorial sake. Thin glue. You're going to when you're done applying, your target is to make sure it is clear, right? Then we're going to go probably 2-3 times. All right, layer of glue. You're going to, if you're in a hurry, you could just leave it until it dry, right? But if you're in a hurry, you could go on with your. You're going to make sure it's low. I'm putting it to the lowest. You don't need hot heat. Take it far away. Get it to make sure it's clear. Then we can go in with another layer. 2 to 3 layer is fine. This is virtually a cold hair. Get it far away. You see it's clear. We are going to go in with the second layer. It's clear. So we are going to go in with the second layer. Repeat the same process. If you're not using a Lagos hairline, you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. Just go straight up. Depend on your hairline. Even my hairline, you can see that. I'm not doing too much because I'll still use my lace melt. Okay. Second layer. I'm going to stop this, okay? Let it air dry before I go in with the third layer. But before then, I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. Let us do it in natural, total natural look. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. Now this is my lace. I'm going to draw this cap a little bit while I'm waiting for my to air dry, right? So I'm going to go in with my tint. Quickly, you're going to do that. It's already bleached, right? You can see that it's giving natural already. Just a little bit of this. This is my lace tint. A little bit of that. Far away. I think that's okay. Already bleached the knots. It's looking popping already. Don't need to do too much, right? Yeah. I'll do the same on my cap. Sorry, my camera is giving me. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on my cap. Quickly. Our glue is getting. Okay. I'm just going to use my brush to. I think we are good to go. We are good to go, right? Okay. Now we're going to go in with third layer of our glue again. Right? We're using another layer of glue. Okay. This is the third layer. So 2 or 3 is fine. Just using a tiny bit of glue, not doing too much. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue them. Very low heat, far away. Okay, let me put on my cap while it dry. This cap I made myself. If you look over here, you see my logo. This cap is made by me, and this is a raw hair layered wig. Let's go. My kids. I don't just get to do content finish before they stop, right? Okay. Yeah. Over here we see a little. This my camera always losing its subject, right? Okay. So don't try this. I'm doing okay. Make sure you're putting on your wig correctly. Okay. It's time for us to put it on. You see, it's clear. Okay. Let me take just a little of it here. I'm seeing. Remember what we did first? We make sure we clean our hairline, right? That's the most important part first, to take out every dirt. Okay, so we are going to now sit our lace. Work with this quickly, right? Work with your rat tail comb quickly. Okay. Okay. I can't put because I'm having my nails, I can't double tie it. I'm just gonna hold on, right? For it to stick. So we did 3 layers of glue, and then we're going to tie to help press it down. Okay. And then I'm going to, that's just basically what you're doing, right? So you're going to now cut the lace, which I'm going to do online. Don't worry, I'm doing it on camera. I'm going to cut the lace. After I'm done cutting the lace, I'll apply my lace melt and then I'll tie again. Okay. You guys, in 2, 3, 1, go. It's going to lose because I left it now. To make sure you're cutting carefully, right? So I've cut this part. I'm going to do something here. Now over here, when you're using a 5x5 closure, you see this particular edge of this lace. We are going to take it out. Okay. Initially, we're just going to cut here, but we are going to take it out. We're going to be mindful of it now. See it, this edge. We want to make sure we take it out totally. Okay. Good. This part taken out, and then we're going to follow our hairline. Make sure you're not cutting too close to the hair. Okay, just give something a little bit. Okay, make sure you're not cutting close because we want to melt it with our melting spray, so it looks more natural. Okay, so this part, if you look closely, I didn't cut. You see, it's already melted. That's one thing. You make sure you always use your mousse If you don't have it, I've made a video on how you could actually go about it. If you don't have your mousse, you could just do your alcohol and your foundation, and you still get the same thing, right? So now we are going to cut this other part. We're going to cut it. We don't want all this rough edge. It's going to make you look. So the last step is to go in with your lace spray. Very important. Lace spray, last step. So this you're going to go in and put, and then you're going to tie again. After this, we are good to go. If you want it to be very clean, a very clean job, your lace tint, don't play with it. If you want it to melt into your skin, like if you want it to melt into your skin, and you're not using your lace tint with your lace melt, you're playing like you're still sleeping. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Don't play with this, okay? I've put in here, I have my lace melt, this one, my lace melt spray. I'm going to go in with my lace tint, okay? If you want it to blend into your skin, you don't joke with this one. So I'm going to add this into my lace melt, and then I'm going to voila, or use your brush. Let's use this part, sorry. Okay, you're just going to go, guys. You don't need to do, you see, after this step you're seeing me doing, there's nothing you need to tell me. Your lace will melt. You begin to ask, where is the freaking lace? Let's me. I'm taking that, then you cut zigzag. Apply this too. If you don't have this, you can do it at home. With this, put your foundation again. Something like this. If you have just your lace tint, put your lace melt spray. If you don't have lace tint and you have lace melt, I've made a video on that on my Facebook. Even on my, I think it's on my YouTube as well. Put this, put your foundation inside here, stir it together, and you have your lace tint. It's not more than that. Nothing else, right? That's true. So we're just going to wait for it to melt, and then let's see. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my hair. Right? You know what? I would wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. And let's see how everything goes, right? You probably want to check out another video, the next reel, where I'll be posting the full look, the outcome of everything. So I'll show you how to lace your lace properly, clean your hairline. I've made video on that one. This video is based on melting. Let it melt, let it blend. We'll go ahead and style and see how it goes. So let us see the outcome. I'm going to go ahead and lose it and let's see. Back to the topic. Now, will you tell me thank you? Like, will you tell me thank you? Will you thank me? Will you thank me? Guys, this is what I get. This is what I get. If you look closely, yeah, it's kind of white. Okay. Not doing too much. I'm just going to go ahead with my brush. I'm going to spray my lace tint on my brush. I'm just going to. This is tea. This is tea. This is tea. Won't you tell me thank you? Let me go ahead and style. Watch out for my next video. Bye. Thank you.